Hi all, Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in Oregon City, Oregon, working out of my car on this rainy day. Anyway, I wanted to come to you today to talk about flooring. So it's one of the most commonly replaced things when people buy a new home. They want to update it, it's worn out, aesthetic, functionality, maintenance, whatever it might be. And so there's a lot of choices when it comes to flooring. One of the most popular that adds value to your home is wood flooring, but that can be really expensive and very difficult to install purely because of what it impacts with the thickness. So if you don't already have wood floors, there can be a lot that can be impacted. Door jambs, baseboard replacement, sheetrock damage, recaulking, repainting. There's a lot of, heck, your stove may not even fit right after if you put wood floors in your kitchen and it didn't have something so thick before. There's a lot of things that can be impacted by changing the thickness of your floor. So in some homes, if it had carpet or if it had vinyl and you're looking for an alternative that's more modern, LVT is a great product to consider. LVT stands for Luxury Vinyl Tile. It's a newer material. It's not what you think of mid-90s sheet vinyl, that kind of thing. It's not ugly little tiles that have a little sticky back. It's actually a very high quality product. It's very durable. It's actually really kicking the tile industry's butt. Anyway, the reason is that it's got some give to it. It's the slip resistance, the patterns, the way that it looks, the way that it installs, the water resistance or waterproof aspects of it, incredible warranties, no grout. There's a lot of really great things about LVT, and if you're considering replacing your floors, it's something to look into. It's one of those products that if you look at online right now, it doesn't seem as appealing, but I would really highly recommend that you go to a high quality, smaller, local flooring shop such as Flooring America of Oregon City and go check out what they have to offer and they can educate you. There's a lot of planks that are made to look like wood that are really great. They look really good. And there's also some more limited in the tiles format, whether it's 12 by 24 or a square format. So something worth checking out if you're going to invest in fixing or changing, updating your floors. Best of luck. Thank you.